Welcome to Famous Last Words, Advent of Code, Day 1. We're your hosts, Will.
And I'm Matt.
And today we're introducing the premise to Advent of Code. Some pretty serious things. We're out on the ocean. So you're minding your own business on a ship at sea when the overboard alarm goes off.
Aruga.
You rush to see if you can help. Apparently, one of the elves tripped and accidentally sent the sleigh keys flying into the ocean. Before you know it, you're inside a submarine. The elves keep ready for situations like this. It's covered in Christmas lights, because of course it is. And it even has an experimental antenna that should be able to track the keys if you can boost its signal strength high enough. There's a meter that indicates the antenna's signal strength by displaying 0 to 50 stars. Your instincts tell you that in order to save Christmas, you'll need to get all 50 stars by December 25th. And then you collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available each day in the Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first, and each puzzle grants 1 star. Happy hunting.
Let's see what the problem is today. As the submarine drops below the surface of the ocean, it automatically performs a sonar sweep. Did you read this? I wasn't really paying attention.
Yes, I read that.
Oh, okay. As the submarine drops below the surface of the ocean, it automatically performs a sonar sweep of the nearby seafloor. On a small screen, the sonar sweep reports your puzzle input appears. Each line is measured on the seafloor depth as the sweep looks further and further away from the submarine. The first order of business is to figure out how quickly the depth increases just so you know what you're dealing with. You never know if the keys will get carried away into deeper water by ocean current or a fish or something. To do this, count the number of times a depth measurement increases from the previous measurement. Okay, well that seems pretty straightforward.
You think that the ocean has any, you know how crows or whatever collect shiny things? Do you think the ocean has a fish or a crab or whatever that collects shiny things?
I mean, they have a bird that collects shiny fish. Seagull?
Yeah, but
Fish are shiny, right?
My God. So, Matt, how are you thinking of tackling this challenge?
Great question, Will. I think I'm going to try it in Java this year. I did it in Python last year, so I've been doing a little bit of Java programming. So there's a couple steps to this problem. One, you've got to import the data. The data is given to you in a web page is just a list of numbers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those numbers, put them into a text document, and then save them. Keep them there for when I need them. So now I've got to figure out how to import the text file in Java, which is something I haven't had to do for probably a year now. I'm going to add them to a list. Got to figure out the data structure. Probably just use an array list. And then iterate over the array list with a counter. Seems pretty straightforward. Shouldn't take too long.
Ah, yes. Straightforward. I got a question. Maybe answer in the comments below. Why is there a sleigh out in the middle of the ocean?
Yeah, why are they on a boat? I thought the North Pole was meant to be cold this time of year.
God, it's global warming.
Or maybe they've made the move. They're by Hawaii. Because I know I'd like to...
Yeah, really.
like to be by Hawaii around the time of year. Checking in on the Computer Science Society, the leaderboard, as of right now, is updating, working flawlessly. We've got over 20 entries. Some pretty quick coders on there. Today, tonight, last night, this morning. You know who you are. This has been Famous Last Words. Anything you'd like to see, any questions you have, drop them in the comments below or shoot us an email. That's it. Bye-bye.
So the question is, how do you take your Java?
Like I take my my nights. Dark. Wait, black.